Alright, what's up guys? So today we took an L, Monday 28th. So I took an L on top step and take profit. So that was that. Pretty simple, same thing as last Monday. So no news. We had a setup, it just didn't play out, and it's okay. As we seen last week, Monday was an L day, but the rest was all W's. So probably it's gonna be the same thing today. For this week, I mean. So yeah, Monday no news. Then we have a lot of heavy news during the week. So yeah, I mean, nothing to explain. So let me just start the recap. So we had this high right there. Now, Asia session, I don't take the wick, I just take the color. So all of this is Asia. So here is high, here is low. I'm not gonna go right there. So like that. And that was pretty much it. So let's just adjust this. Then on the 5-minute, I was waiting. So like I said, I was waiting. 9:35, we rejected off Asia high. From there, I was looking to take a trade right there, and somehow 9:40 market just pumped all the way to previous day's high. Then started rejecting, and yeah. So I took my trade right there, NQ short, and stopped instantly. Yeah, like not a single profit, just instantly stopped out. And yeah, I mean, it is what it is, doesn't matter. From there, 10, we swept London low and then went up, but I already took my one trade, so I was done for the day. But yeah, as we see later on, after this big move, Asia high, right there we get another rejection. So let's say we get in. If I was to take a second trade, this would have been a good one, 1, 2, 3. It went all the way to 50 point and then yeah, rejected. So that was nice. But like I said, I took my trade right there. So I mean, pretty much nothing to say today, to be honest. Quick recap, nothing to say. Hopefully tomorrow we have a better trading day, so I can start what's it called, getting payouts and stuff. Top step, now I need 1.5 to, I think 2k to pass the account. And TPT, it's already passed. I just need to build a cushion so I don't just blow the account. So that was it for today. Tomorrow news at 10. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow.